We're back with part 2 of the Machu Picchu Jubilee, brought to you by the fine folks of Iconic Man. If you want to get a gander of my previous articles and videos, please click on the link below. Let's get your Bear Grylls on. Time to conquer Machu Picchu. You bought the plane tickets, got in the shot, kiss your loved ones goodbye and maxed out your credit card. Now, all you have to do is dodge the mosquitoes, wipe away the llama spit, and survive the goddamn hippies. Now comes the hard part. Machu Picchu comes in 2 flavors. The Indiana Jones path, also known as the Incan Trail, a hellscape of broken down trekkers and would-be adventurers, pipe dreamers that thought the road to Machu Picchu was nothing more than a stroll in the park. It is a 150k journey on foot that, depending on where you get on, can take anywhere between 2 to 7 days, overlapping trails that pass through various environments, villages, ruins, and camps. The second way, also known as the vanilla way, forgoes the rigmaroles of oxygen deprivation, sweat, and all that nonsense for comfort and style. A number of locomotives which offer various services, from backpackers to first class, they will take you from the Ollantaytambo train station to the base of Machu Picchu. Other tips to consider before going to Machu Picchu. Machu Picchu should be visited in the dry season. That's March to November. In February, the path closes due to maintenance and mudslide. Another thing to take into account is permits. All permits go on sale at the start of every year. They can only be acquired through registered tour operators. Only 500 operators and visitors are permitted inside Machu Picchu a day. 200 tourists and the leftover 300 tickets are divided among natives, guides, and porters. Hope that settled your questions and got your motors running. An iconic man is an adventurous man. Subscribe for more videos and articles at iconicman.com or in this YouTube channel.